Hi, I am Maharani Risa Juli. In this video, I will share a simple matcha latte recipe. Well, let's go straight to the video. Here, I use 5 main ingredients to make a simple matcha latte. The first one is plain milk, ice cup, matcha tea powder, sugar, and warm water. Step 1. Put 2 teaspoons sugar and 4 teaspoons matcha tea powder into a mug. Pour on enough warm water and stir until the sugar and matcha tea powder dissolve. Take out the glass containing the matcha water and place a new glass. Second step. Put enough ice cup into the mug. Step 3. Pour in 150 milliliters of plain milk. Step 4. Pour in the matcha solution we made. And the last step. Stir well matcha latte and ready to enjoy. Here how our matcha latte turned out. It is fresh, creamy, and sweety. If you have a biscuit dipped them in matcha latte, it is also very good. I'm sure you love it. Thank you for watching. Bye.